Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing core inputs and environment so the model can run reliably. First, install Wrf and WPS with matching compilers and netcdf libraries. This prevents runtime mismatch errors. Next, grab your meteorological boundary data like GFS or ERA5 and run ungrib then geogrid to create initial fields. Once done, edit namelist. Input to define domains, grid spacing, time step, and key physics schemes, so the model has a consistent configuration for integration. You now move into the core execution and tuning steps that control simulation behavior. Run real, exe to ingest the preprocessed fields and produce initial and boundary files, verify file timestamps and domain coverage. Then start Wrf, exe under MPI on your chosen node count and watch RSL. Out and RSL, error for spikes or NaN occurrences. If the run destabilizes, reduce time step or tweak PBL/convective schemes, small changes to physics or vertical resolution, finish by converting raw model output into usable diagnostics and checking model quality. Use Wrf post, NCL, or Python tools to extract fields like precipitation, wind, and temperature. Generate maps and time series to inspect structure and timing. Once done, compare these outputs to observations or reanalysis to quantify bias and drift so you can iterate on physics choices. If you encounter crashes or NA-NS, one key troubleshooting tip is to reduce the time step or switch microphysics. This often resolves numeric instabilities quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.